Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Robinhood Instant Account step by step clearly. To install a Robinhood Instant Account, start by ensuring you have a compatible smartphone. Visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Robinhood and tap the search icon. Locate the official Robinhood app and select it. Tap the install button to download the app to your device. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, open the Robinhood app by tapping the icon. You will be prompted to create an account if you are a new user. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. For new users, begin by entering your email address. Create a secure password and confirm it. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to provide your social security number for verification. Next, answer a few questions regarding your investment experience. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you complete the initial setup, proceed to verify your identity. Robinhood may ask for documents like a driver's license or other forms of ID. Upload the necessary documents as prompted by the app. After verification, link your bank account for fund transfers. Enter your bank account details securely within the app. Robinhood will verify your bank account, which may take a few minutes. Once your account is linked, you can fund your Robinhood Instant Account. Transfer the desired amount from your bank to your Robinhood account. Wait for the transfer to process. This may take a few business days. Once your funds are available, you can start trading. Explore the app's features, including stocks, ETFs, and options trading. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available resources. Congratulations, your Robinhood Instant Account is now ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.